Welcome everyone. In this tutorial we will discuss about SS specifiers in C++ and their accessibility chaining program. Let's talk about SS specifiers first. SS modifiers or SS specifiers are keywords in object-oriented language that set the accessibility of class methods and other members. These are of three types: 1, 2, and 3. First is public, second is protected, and third is private. The member declared as public are accessible outside the class through an object of the class. The members declared as protected are accessible outside the class but only in the derived class. The members declared as private are accessible only within the class. No outside accessibility is allowed. For example, let's take a class instance and declare it public. This is done by writing public before data member and its functions. If you run this code will execute and no problem will arise. Similarly, if you declare the data member as protected and then try to compile the code will not run as no derived class is created. It will show compiler problem. Similarly, if you declare the data member as private and try to compile the code will not run and show compiler problem as accessibility of private is limited to class only. Now let's see how the accessibility changes by inheritance. The three specifiers are public, protected, and private. Now if we try to inherit them as public, the public will be inherited and remain public. By inheriting protected as public, the protected will remain protected. The private will not be inherited as public because accessibility changes from higher to lower only. Now if we inherit them as protected, the public will change to protected. The protected will remain protected. And as earlier, the private will not inherit as protected as well. Now if we try to inherit them as private, the public will change to private, the protected will change to private, and the private one will remain as private. Thank you. For more updates, please subscribe our channel.